Want a unique Shopify store that stands out? Today, I'll show you how to edit the header in your Shopify theme to reflect your brand perfectly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start from your Shopify homepage and click Online Store in the left-hand menu. Then click Customize. This opens the visual editor where you can tweak your store's look in real time. First, check out the announcement bar. This is a prime spot to share promotions, news, or important updates. Click on it to edit the text and change the background color to match your brand. Next, move to the header section itself. Here, you can adjust your logo, change its size, and modify the header background color. These tweaks help your logo stand out and set the right visual tone for visitors. Once you're happy with your edits, click Save to apply the changes to your live store. Don't skip this step. Saving ensures all your customizations are visible to your customers. And that's it. Editing your Shopify header is simple, but it can make a huge difference in branding and the shopping experience. Go ahead, experiment, and make your store truly yours.